morning, this is Chef Ankit from IHM Bangalore, and I'm going to make a mac and cheese from the bechamel or from a white sauce which we made before. For that, we require white sauce, 3 tablespoons, or a little more, okay, and we heat it up. Once it start melting, then we'll add a cooking cream in that. So usually when we make a mac and cheese, it's require bechamel, cheese, cooking cream, salt, pepper and pasta. But here I'm adding further blanched beans and blanched carrot. I already cooked them. Now this is our time to add cream, a couple of tablespoons, or we can say 40 ml. Reduce the flame. When we add cream for cooking, make sure you reduce the flame. Why? Otherwise cream will get split, it will get curdled. Now you can see the consistency of it. Scrape from the sides. Now I'm going to add carrot in that, 1.5 tablespoon, as well as beans. I'm going to mix. Now I'm turning off the flame. Okay, I'll switch it off because now I'm adding pasta and the seasoning. First I'm adding seasoning. I'm adding little pepper. You can use either a white pepper in that or a crushed pepper. I'm using a pepper powder. And salt. Don't use too much salt because later on we need to add cheese in that, and cheese is also salty, a bit salty, so you need to keep that in the mind. And we mix it. Add a little more cream. And pasta in that. So I'm using macaroni because it's a mac and cheese. Mix it nicely. The gas is off right now. Not the gas, but the induction. At your home you might use induction or gas. It's up to you. It's subject to availability. Now I'm grating some cheese. You can use a parmesan or a processed cheese. Here I have a cheddar or a cheddar. It's handful. If you don't add generous amount of cheese, then how can you say it's a mac and cheese? Why I turn it off? Because after that I'm going to shift or transfer it into a ball, and that ball I will keep in the oven for the gratination or to give the color on top. So it requires further cooking, and in that cooking this cheese will get melt. So now I am taking it out into a pasta plate. So make sure, try to put it in the center. Don't make it dirty from the sides, otherwise it will turn to black. So you can see it's a 2 portions. So you can divide it into 2 plates. So that is enough for 1 portion. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to grate some more cheese and I will put on top of it. Spread it evenly. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Now I kept my oven already on preheat. I'm going to put this plate in the oven for a couple of minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And after 3 to 4 minutes we will take it out. So our mac and cheese is ready. So you can see a little color on the top of it. We call it a gratination. So you can see all the cheese, whatever we add, is melt and spread all over it. And the mac and cheese is ready to eat.